Good morning, children. We are discussing the chapter Lines and Angles, our sixth chapter, and we are discussing exercise 6.1. From that exercise, we have discussed 4 questions. Today, we are going to discuss the 5th question. Okay, I think all of you are writing these all questions and answers in your notebook, and you have to practice each and every question. Okay, and today's first question. In the figure, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. Listen, in the figure, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OQ. Prove that angle ROS equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. So here we have a line POQ. Line POQ. Okay, and ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OR, we have ray OR which is perpendicular to line POQ. Then OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Listen, OS is another ray lying between OR and OP. It is ray OP and it is OR. Then another ray OS. It is lying between ray OP and OR. Prove that, we need to prove that angle ROS equal to half into angle ROS equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. We need to prove that angle ROS, it is angle ROS which is equal to half into angle. Angle ROS means this angle. We need to prove that this angle is equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. Angle QOS means this angle, and angle POS, this one. Okay, and here OR is a ray perpendicular to line POQ, which means this angle will be 90 degree, and this angle also 90 degree, because OR is perpendicular to line PQ or POQ. Okay, so we need to prove that this angle ROS equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, so here angle POR equal to 90 degree. POR equal to 90 degree. Reason, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ or POQ. Okay, and this POR, angle POR equal to angle POS plus angle ROS. Okay, so this angle POR equal to angle POS plus angle ROS, and this POR equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle POS plus angle ROS equal to 90 degree. Angle POS plus angle ROS equal to angle POR. Therefore, angle POS plus angle ROS equal to 90 degree because angle POR equal to 90 degree. Okay. From this, angle ROS equal to 90 minus angle POS. We can take it as our equation 1. Same way, here angle QOS equal to angle QOS equal to this angle QOS, which is equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS. Okay, equal to angle QOS plus angle ROS, and this angle angle QOS equal to angle QOR plus, here QOR plus angle ROS. Okay, here angle QOS which is equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS. And what about this angle QOR? OR is a perpendicular line, therefore angle QOR equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle QOR equal to 90 degree because OR perpendicular to line PQ. Okay, so instead of this QOR we can write 90 degree, that is angle QOS equal to 90 plus angle ROS. And from here we can write angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus 90 degree. Angle QOS equal to 90 plus angle ROS. Therefore, angle ROS equal to QOS minus 90 degree. Angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus 90 degree. We can take it as equation 2. Okay, here we have two equations, that is angle here angle ROS equal to 90 minus angle POS, and here angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus 90. Okay, we can add this equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. 1 plus 2. Here first we are adding the LHS. Here angle ROS, here also in the LHS there is ROS. So angle ROS plus angle ROS equal to here 90 minus angle POS, okay, plus angle QOS minus 90, angle QOS minus 90. Okay, here angle ROS plus angle ROS, that is 2 angle ROS equal to 2 angle ROS equal to Listen, 90 minus angle POS plus angle QOS minus 90. That is 90 minus angle POS plus angle QOS minus 90. We just removed this bracket. Okay, then 190 minus 90, we can remove that. Then 2 angle ROS equal to, here it is minus angle POS plus angle QOS. So I am rewriting it as angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, 2 angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Therefore, angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, and 2 angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Therefore, angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle POS divided by 2. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 2 into angle QOS minus angle POS. We need to prove that angle ROS equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. And here we have proved that angle ROS equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, I think it is clear. Here we started from here. Here angle OR. This OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Perpendicular means here that ray and this line, they are making 90 degree right angle. Okay, so this angle is 90 degree. So here also we will get a 90 degree angle. And this POR equal to, this angle is 90 degree. And we can take this angle as the sum of these two angles. That is angle POS and angle ROS. Okay. Then next problem. It is given that angle XYZ equal to angle XYZ equal to 64 degree. 64 degree and XY is produced to a point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle QYQ and reflects angle QYP. Listen the question. In the figure, it is given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degree. Okay, angle XYZ equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP and XYQ and reflects angle QYP. So first here we have an angle XYZ. Okay, 64 degree. Suppose it is angle XYZ. Okay, angle XYZ, and this XY is produced to a point P. So we need to produce this line XY to a point P. Next, Draw a figure from the given information if ray YQ, we need one more ray YQ, bisects angle ZYP. ZYP means this line. Okay, so we need to draw a line, a ray YQ. Okay, that YQ bisects ZYP. This YQ is bisecting ZYP, which means these two angles are equal. Okay. If ray YQ bisects ZYP, we need to find angle XYQ, angle XYQ, and reflex angle QYP. Reflex angle QYP. Listen, it is angle QYP. Then reflex angle QYP means this one. Okay, and XYQ. XYQ means this one. This angle is XYQ. Okay, here we can say that YQ bisects the angle ZYP. Okay, YQ is a ray which is bisecting the angle ZYP. So we can say that angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP. Okay, listen, YQ bisecting angle ZYP. Therefore angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP. Listen, angle ZYQ equal to angle QYP because YQ is bisecting, this ray YQ is bisecting angle ZYP. Okay, and we can say that YQ and YZ, they are two rays standing on the line YX, and we extended this line XY. Okay, and it is observed that XP, it is a line. So we can say that YQ and YZ, they are two rays standing on the line PX. Okay, P means a point when we extended the line XY. Okay, so we can say that YQ and YZ, they are two rays standing on the line PX. Therefore angle QYP plus angle ZYQ plus angle XYZ equal to 180 degree. Here the reason is YQ and YZ stand on the line XP. Okay, therefore sum of QYP plus ZYQ plus XYZ equal to 180 degree. Then here QYP, this ZYQ equal to angle QYP because the ray YQ is bisecting angle ZYP. So instead of this QYP and ZYQ. We can substitute, instead of ZYQ we can write QYP, or otherwise instead of QYP we can write ZYQ, or ZYQ equal to QYP. Okay, so we can substitute that is 2QYP. Instead of the ZYQ we can give QYP. Okay, so 2QYP. Here we have one QYP, and instead of this ZYQ also we can give QYP. So 2QYP, or otherwise we can rewrite this with angle QYP plus angle QYP plus XYZ, that is 64, equal to 180 degree. Okay, then 2QYP equal to 180 minus 64. Okay, that is QYP. 2QYP equal to 180 minus 64, which is equal to 1116, that is QYP equal to 116 divided by 2, which is equal to 58. So this QYP, this angle is 58 degree. If it is 58, this angle also will be 58. Okay, so this angle is 58 degree. QYP is 68 degree. Therefore, its reflex angle QYP equal to 360 minus 58. Okay, an angle plus its reflex angle, sum of an angle plus its reflex angle is 360 degree. So reflex angle here QYP equal to 58 degree. Therefore, reflex angle QYP equal to 360 minus 58. Okay, which is equal to 58. 360 minus 58. 302. Reflex angle QYP equal to 302. This angle, this reflex angle is 302 degree. Okay, and here we need to get one more angle, that is XYQ, which is angle XYQ. This one XYQ. Here it is 64 and it is 58. Therefore, XYQ, angle XYQ equal to 64 plus 58. From here itself, here we got QYP equal to 58. Therefore, this angle also ZYQ also 58, because YQ is bisecting the angle ZYP. Okay, so XYQ, angle XYQ equal to 64 plus 58, which is equal to 122. Okay, I think it is clear. Here we need to find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. Okay, so first we got what is QYP. If we know angle QYP, we can find a reflex angle, because sum of an angle plus its reflex angle is equal to a complete angle. Complete angle means its measure will be 360 degree. Okay, so practice this question. You have to write these two questions in your notebook and practice. Okay, thank you.